How to use phone as webcam for free. I will show you the application that is very easy to use and you don't need to pay for that. And you don't need any technical background to make it work. First, you need to upload the application for your computer. Go to this website and choose the operation system you have. Installation is very simple. Just go step by step. After a couple minutes, your laptop is ready to go. Now we need to prepare our cell phone. You need to find this application on Google Play or App Store and just install it on your cell phone. On the next step, you just click continue. One important thing you need to make sure is that your laptop and your mobile phone are on the same Wi-Fi network. Otherwise, they will not find each other. Or you have an option to connect your cell phone with USB. There is a third option to configure Skype or any other camera, but I didn't test it. So now my phone is on the same Wi-Fi network as my laptop, and they automatically find each other. I provide all needed permissions on my cell phone. By default, for me, it starts using my front camera. I can switch it to the back camera very easy. You can find camera in the list and click on it, and just switch between back and front. On your laptop application, you can choose the resolution. You can check the settings to figure out what options do you have. There are not a lot of. You can choose front or back camera, switch between orientations, landscape or portrait, and turn on and turn off autofocus and dim screen automatically, and reverse. I have tried a couple other solutions and they need some more setup. I like this most because it is very easy to set up and it allows you to start quickly. If you want more samples of the software, follow me on my Facebook page and subscribe to this channel right now.